Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to read products description carefully on Temu. Let's get started. Read the full description. Don't just rely on the title or photos. Scroll down to read the full product details. Then always check key info. Look at material, size, color options, what included, and any usage notes. Then watch for fine print. Look out for phrases like mini size, random, color, or units like cm versus inches. Then don't forget to read reviews. Reviews reveal if the item matches the description. Watch for complaints. And lastly, check the Q&A. If available, use the Q&A section to get real insights and answer from buyers. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.